afternoon, YouTubers. Skip20 here in Knoxville. Playing out in my garage finally. Look at that temperature. 42 degrees outside, 63 degrees inside. You know why? Excuse me. Just finished welding. I put in a split heat pump. Finished this thing up a couple of days ago. Been letting it warm up this place, taking 2 days. But boy, it's nice out here now. Another improvement. LED lights. Oh, these are unplugged. Sorry about that. And I had an extra one, so I put it down here to see what I'm doing. I'm working on the Frankenstein, Volkswagen, Subaru Flatbed, whatchamacallit. I just finished welding in a 2x2 by 1/4 inch tubing with a 1/4 inch plate underneath it to give me 2 1/4. This is attached to the flooring and attached to the 16 gauge sheet metal new floor, and the winch would be welded to the floor. So by adding this bar, I hope to get additional support on the pull, since it's going to pull that way. So I was going to finish welding the top, but I figure, oh, what the heck, I got to put the floor in, and it's got to get welded to the top anyway, so weld the whole kit and caboodle. That's the only thing that's been accomplished out here. Been in the basement playing around with 3D printers. Did build the carport outside. I think I did a video on that. I don't remember, it's been so long. But it's still a flatbed full of junk. Flat surfaces are great storage. Yeah. Guess I can turn my gas off for now. But these new lights, oh boy, it's nice and bright in here now.